Mesdames et messieurs, welcome into this elegant 20 square meters studio in the heart of Paris, in Le Marais, just near Republique metro station. As you can see, once you enter, you have a fully equipped kitchen with a washing machine, right here, a toaster and a kettle, a coffee maker that you can see on top, a microwave, hot plates, and a fridge. On your left, you have a dining table where you can enjoy the dinner you just made with your friends and guests. Also, here you can see that you have everything you need to cook and to welcome your guests.
This charming flat has a separate bathroom here on the left after the entrance. As you can see on your right, you have a sink, a toilet, and a shower. The heart of this studio here is composed of a living room which has a television, internet unlimited, a very spacious wardrobe where you can store all your bags, a new and elegant sofa bed convertible for 2 persons. To complete the description of this beautiful studio, let me introduce you to the site. Heart of Le Marais district, super central, close to the Museum d'Arts and Metiers, close to the river, close to Place Republique. Within 4 minutes, you have shops and everything you need to